I am not going to admit any person without roll number. Okay. Okay. Last time we were discussing about the linear expansion. Okay. So linear expansion, what does it mean? That obviously when there is expansion in one dimensions, then that sort of the expansion is known as the linear expansion. Okay. So here in this case, you can see that this is an equation for the linear expansion, in which the change in length is directly proportional to the original length and the coefficient of the linear expansion and that of the difference in the temperature. So we discussed this linear expansion with respect to bimetallic strip, which we usually use in electric kettles, iron and other sort of things. Okay. So in this case, again, I am going to repeat it because it is related to the next volumetric expansion. So in one case, in the case of the bimetallic strip, you have two different metal strips that are attached together. Like here in this scenario, you can see that we have, just hold on a second. We have this bimetallic strip. One strip is of brass and other strip is of steel here. Okay. So both have different expansion coefficient. So when both have different expansion coefficient, so what will happen that obviously when one will expand on heating, one will expand larger compared to the other. As a result, they will bend. When they will bend, they will obviously disconnect from the current source, and there will be no further heating. It will automatically switch off. When temperature cools down, it will again get connected. Let's suppose if you are using the iron, there are certain numbers that are mentioned, normally up to 6 or 7 numbers on a iron. Or what happened that when you want to iron some silk cloth, the some silk cloths, you will set it up to 3 or 4. Well, if you want to iron some cotton cloth, so you will set it up to just beta 1 second रुकिएगा. You will set it up to 5 or 6 number. So when iron get heated up to that point, so it will automatically get disconnected. Okay, are you getting my point? Is it clear? Any question up to this point? Okay. So this coefficient of linear expansion has a unit of per Kelvin or per degree, depending upon what sort of the unit you are using. Because if you are using Kelvin for the temperature, it will be per Kelvin. If you are using degree centigrade for the temperature, obviously it will be per degree degree centigrade. Or if you are using Fahrenheit, so it will be per degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So this is the linear expansion. So volumetric expansion is a type of linear expansion, but it is in 3 dimensions. Okay. So you can say that in the case of the volumetric expansion, this alpha, this beta, which is the coefficient of volume expansion, will be of 1 second beta. Okay, अच्छा बेटा, kindly enter your roll number in the chat box too. ठीक है? Chat box में अपना आप roll number send कर देंगे. ठीक है? Present के point of view से. Okay, in this scenario, you can see that they have written beta is equal to 3 alpha. Why they have written beta is equal to 3 alpha? Can anyone tell me? कोई एक बच्चा मुझे बताए कि वॉल्यूम कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वॉल्यूम एक्सपेंशन इज इक्वल टू 3 अल्फा. व्हाई?
सर 3 डायमेंशंस होती हैं वॉल्यूम.
यस, ऑब्वियसली, बिल्कुल.
ये एक्सपेंशन कोएफिशिएंट है ना, तो इसे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे क्योंकि वॉल्यूम है 3 डायमेंशनल एक्सपेंशन.
That's why. Good. That's correct, because alpha is for the 1 dimension coefficient. So when you have volumetric expansion, you are basically dealing for the 3 dimensions. So beta, which is the coefficient of volume expansion, will be equal to 3 times of linear dimensions, yani in 3 dimensions it will expand, so we will write beta is equal to 3 alpha. So this is why they have taken beta is equal to 3 alpha. The most common example for the volumetric expansion is the uh, water. ठीक है, water, in the case of the water क्या होता है, when you have the ice, when you will uh, heat it, obviously it will expand in 3 dimensions. ठीक है, और but it what happens that in the case of the water is a special type of liquid. In any sort of a liquid, in any type of a liquid, any other type of a liquid, the density basically increases when you decrease the temperature. Okay, this is what happens. But in the case of the water, the density is maximum when you have a temperature of 4 degrees centigrade, and when you will go below the 4 degrees centigrade, what will happen that its density increases or decreases. Again, I am telling you, in any type of the liquid, the density of a liquid increases when you decrease the temperature. But in the case of the water, water has a maximum density at 4 degrees centigrade. If you will go below the 4 degrees centigrade, its density will be less, which is contrary to the other liquids. ठीक है, ये चीज समझ में आ गई?
Sir, can you please repeat again?
Again, water is a special type of a liquid in which the density is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. In all other type of the liquids, when you decrease the temperature, the density increases. But in the case of the water, you will decrease the temperature, density will increase, and it will be maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. But when you will go below the 4 degrees centigrade, its density will decrease rather than increasing. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any question up to this point? Okay. Acha, अब what is the advantage of this the maximum density? Why it has a 4 degree density maximum at 4 degrees centigrade? What would be its advantage? So normally आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि in the case of the oceans are the cooler regions where there is the temperature falls below the 0 degree centigrade, and the top of the river or the top of the stream, it gets freezed. ठीक है, यही होता है. At 0, when you have a temperature at 0 degree centigrade, the obviously the melting the freezing of the water takes place. It gets converted into ice. ठीक है, so it is just like के एक second, hold on करें. Sorry, एक second, मुझे proper तरीके से एक नहीं, no, it's not like that. ये कर लेते हैं हम. It is just you can say that it is a surface of a stream or river. On the bottom there is a water. ठीक है, it is just like and this is the lower surface. This is the bottom. So in the normal case, when you have a water and you have a temperature less than 0 degree centigrade or near equal to 0 degree centigrade, what happens? The top of the liquid surface, it gets top of the water. I am talking about the water. The top of the water gets freezed or converted into the ice, while there is a liquid at the bottom of the ice, and then this is the bottom of the river here or the stream here. So the question is that when in normal cases, what happens that when you decrease the temperature, its density increases. This is what I was saying. Okay, its density increases. So as per density, if density increases by decreasing the temperature, the obviously the weight of the or the dense you can say dense object, it will move in the downward direction. So the ice should be at the bottom of the river, but in this case, in the case of the water, it exists at the top of the liquid. ठीक है, obviously this ice has a, या एक सेकेंड प्रॉपर फिगर मुझे चल मैं थोड़ा सा टेक्स्ट ऐड कर देता हूँ. आइस water and this is the bottom. And this overall whole ये जो figure है, it's all it is all about the a small portion of, you can say, that river or stream or pond. Okay, so in normal case, what was the any liquid has density has increased density when temperature decreases. Okay, but in the case of the in case of water, density is maximum at 4 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ठीक है
सर, आप लिखवा रहे हैं इधर कुछ शो तो हो नहीं रहा.
बेटा शो हो रहा है, आई थिंक
नहीं हो रहा सर.
हो रहा है सर,
हो रहा है
सर.
इनको
सर हो
हाँ,
रहा
साइड
है.
में मूव करें स्क्रीन.
हो रहा है बेटा. ओके, अच्छा, now in this case के these are the 2 points which you have to consider. कोई भी liquid होगा other than water, its density increases when you decrease the temperature. ठीक है, in case of the water the density is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. अच्छा, अब normal, in the case of the normal liquid क्या होना था, the ice should be at the bottom. क्यों कि when you are decreasing the temperature, ठीक है, obviously this surface is attached to the atmosphere. So first thing that will be affected or whose temperature will decrease, the first layer of the water is the upper layer. Okay, so when you will decrease the temperature, obviously up to 4 degrees centigrade, its density will increase and there will come a point. ठीक है, there will come a point up to 4 degrees centigrade क्या होगा, it gets heavy and it gets at the bottom. The heavier object always goes to the bottom in the liquid. ठीक है, up to 4 degrees centigrade. Let's put at the start there was a liquid at the surface which has a temperature of 50 degrees centigrade. So since the atmospheric temperature was let's suppose 0 degrees centigrade, so its temperature, obviously heat exchange will take place from the surface. So with surface, what will happen that the surface layer has a temperature which will be lesser, ठीक है, compared to the other layers of the water. So it will get denser and a denser thing always goes to the bottom. So this will goes to the bottom. Up to the 4 degrees centigrade, what will happen? All the water goes to the bottom. So when you will get the 4 degrees centigrade, now this temperature, these layers have got 4 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, so after 4 degrees centigrade क्या होगा कि in the case of the water कि its density will decrease. Okay, After when this layer will get up to 3 degrees centigrade, it cannot move in the downward direction because at 3 degrees centigrade, it will have a density which is smaller than this water. So what will happen? It will remain on the upper surface. It will not go to the downward direction. Okay. So in the same way, the temperature will go up to 0 degrees centigrade. Again, the density at the 0 degrees centigrade is lesser compared to the density at 4 degrees centigrade. Okay. So as a result, it will get converted into the ice, while at the bottom, there will only be a liquid form of the water. So as a result, the aquatic life or the fishes or the other living organisms that will remain alive in this scenario. Otherwise, if it will get denser, what will happen? All this portion will be in the icy form and there will be no living organisms in this region. They will all get freezed out. This is how it works. So is it clear to you now?
Yes,
Question
sir.
any?
Yes, sir.
Any question about any?
No,
You
sir.
can freely ask the question, बेटा शर्माने वाली कोई बात अगर गलत भी पूछ लेंगे तब भी कोई फैक्ट नहीं है, मैं आपको करेक्ट कर दूंगा. क्लियर? किसी का क्वेश्चन
Yes,
नहीं है?
clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear है, sir.
चलें, गुड हो गया. So the thing is बेटा कि this how मतलब कुदरती तौर पे naturally मतलब being a Muslim we believe that मतलब there is still no scientific reason about this one. Why it does happen in the water, only in water, only in H2O. Why it does not happen in the other liquids? ठीक है? So ये बेटा in this way the fishes or the other living organisms remain alive when the temperature goes below the 4 degrees centigrade. Otherwise, what will happen? They will all get freezed out in the ocean and there will be no living organisms in this case. So this is only case for the water. When you have H2O, in that case, this sort of the mechanism happens. But in the case of the other liquids, what happens? That the freezing takes place from the bottom to the top rather than from the top. Okay. So in this scenario, obviously there will be no living organism. Like here, I am again drawing here. Okay. In the case of the other liquids, okay, it will go up to the top and there will be no living, obviously all the living organisms living in this region will get freezed out and there will be no living organisms within the oceans or the other streams when the temperature goes below the 0 degree centigrade. Okay. So this is all about the volumetric expansion. And now we will discuss about, and there is another example about, I have just collected other examples about, एक सेकेंड. अच्छा एक क्वेश्चन मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था. हाँ अच्छा ये चीज तो होगी. वी डिस्कस अबाउट, ठीक है जी, कि आपके पास क्या है कि यू हैव वॉल्यूमेट्रिक एक्सपेंशन. सो लेट्स सपोज कि मेरे पास नो देयर आर ब्लॉक्स हियर. ठीक है, देयर आर 3 ब्लॉक्स, या मैं आपको फिगर ही दिखा देता हूँ. इसमें क्योंकि टाइम लग जाएगा, मैं शेयर करता हूँ आपके साथ. लीनियर एक्सपेंशन में आपके पास क्या क्या हो सकता है? लीनियर एक्सपेंशन में मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम बताया था, देयर कैन बी एन एग्जांपल ऑफ bridge here. Now here in this case, in normal bridge, there are obviously some concrete support and some beams here. Okay, so in the case of the beam, what will happen? Obviously, in the case of the, if you are not putting some space here, so when in the summer it will get expand, it will damage the concrete support because it will expand more compared to the concrete supports, resulting into the misalignment of the structure or the destruction of the structure. So as a result, there will be breakage of the bridge here. Now the question was, which I want to ask, कि what will happen, ठीक है, हमने कहा things can expand, ठीक है, there are tiles that can expand, there are bridges, metal strips that can expand, there can be volumetric expansion. So what about the holes? अच्छा, hole expand करेगा. Let's suppose in this figure you have this figure here. This is the figure. In this there are tiles here, 8 tiles, and there is a gap at the center. What do you think, that will it expand? ठीक है
सर होल एक्सपेंशन नहीं होगी,
will it
इसकी
expand?
कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, इसकी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होगी।
होल का डायमीटर कम हो जाएगा
दो
क्योंकि
से
साइडों से फट जाती है, उसका उनकी एक्सपेंशन हो रही है।
ओके, कोई ऐसा बच्चा जो कहे कि ये ठीक नहीं है? Anyone else? Anyone else?
सर एक्सपेंशन होगी।
Okay, and what is the reason?
सर होल भी इसी तरह बिहेव करेगा जैसे वो बिल्कुल उसी मटेरियल का बना हुआ है जिसका वो बॉक्स है या जो मेटल है।
No, it's not like that. होल का तो कोई मटेरियल ही नहीं है, it's just an empty space. होल को छोड़ दें, रेंज से निकाल दें. You just consider that you have installed these 8 tiles and there is a missing tile at the center. ठीक है, missing tile means that there is no material there. So will it expand or will it contract?
सर
सर
इसकी
मतलब
कॉन्ट्रैक्शन
अगर कंप्रेस करेंगे तो ये खुद ही एक्सपेंड हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, expand होगा. चलें, now I will give you the explanation. कि whether you are saying right or the other ones are saying correct. ठीक है? Take single tile here. Just for the sake of the fun, we are taking this single tile. This tile. Okay? Original tile is this one. So, in the first scenario, I will take this dimension. ठीक है? Bottom dimension, I will take the bottom dimension. Will there be expansion along this? होगी?
सर आपको क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया।
Consider this tile here, ये tile है. Will there be expansion along the horizontal direction after heating?
Yes, sir. होगी.
So it means
Yes,
that this tile will become larger. Okay. ठीक है, ऐसे ही बनेगी because there is an expansion in the x-axis, and in the same way there will be along the y-axis expansion along the y-axis. So this tile will become bigger. यही होगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir।
Okay. So when will this tile will become bigger? So what do you think that? I think that there will be more space along the horizontal direction in this case. यही होगा? ये देखें. So this tile has expanded. So obviously what happened that now its horizontal direction got larger. In the same way, you will get the expansion along the y-axis. Okay. So in this, for that scenario, these both tiles which are at the center, they will get expanded. I am just showing the arrow up to the point where they are expanding, just for the sake. Okay. So it means that if you are expanding along the x-axis, you are expanding along the y-axis. So obviously, if tile is getting bigger along both axes, so this hole will get bigger rather than getting smaller. ठीक हो गया? Is it clear now? कि मैं दोबारा explain करूं?
सर एक और दफा कर दीजिएगा सर।
अच्छा चलो। I'm taking this tile beta, ठीक है? I'm taking this tile. This is a single tile, ठीक है? And or I am taking this tiles here, ठीक है? These are the two tiles which I am taking here, okay? Or these are the original size. These are the original size here. These are the original size, ठीक है? अच्छा अब these are the two tiles. मतलब single है, दोनों same dimensions की हैं, so I am taking these tiles here. So after hitting, let's suppose in this case I am taking the x-axis, and in this case I am taking the y-axis. In actual case, they will get expanded in both dimensions, but for this sake of your understanding, I am saying they are expanding in one dimension. So in this scenario, let's suppose if I am talking about they are expanding along the x-axis, or in this scenario, in this one, they are expanding along the y-axis. Okay. So when I will use these tiles, ठीक है? So it means कि अगर मैं ये tiles यहाँ पे बनाता हूँ, ठीक है? It will get expanded, ठीक है? And in this case, it will get expanded. यही होगा. So obviously, what is happening here when I am using these tiles, ठीक है? So they are getting bigger. Obviously, the space between them is getting bigger at this center. So it means that hole will get larger when you will heat the tiles. Okay, it will not get smaller. Clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again,
Yes,
किसी का
sir.
question?
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
जी जी बेटा.
सर ये तो आपने दो टाइल्स की बात की है ना, अगर हम सबकी बात करें तो सबकी किसी ना किसी डायरेक्शन में एक्सपेंशन होकर होल को कम नहीं कर देगा वो तो.
नहीं, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. अभी मैं आपको एक और भी एग्जांपल इसकी देता हूँ, ठीक है? अब दे आर राइट नाउ, अब यहाँ पे आप क्या कर रहे हैं कि यू विल कंसिडर के देयर इज एन एम्प्टी स्पेस ऑन द सराउंडिंग हियर, ऑन द अपर साइड, ऑन द हॉरिजॉन्टल साइड देयर इज एम्प्टी स्पेस, ठीक है? सो अब क्या होगा कि जब व्हेन देयर इज एम्प्टी स्पेस इन दिस, यहाँ पे भी सारी एम्प्टी स्पेस है, in this case empty space hai, in this case empty space hai, in this case empty space hai. So obviously you can see that now tiles are getting better, they are moving toward the right direction, they are moving toward the left direction, they are moving in the upper direction. The tile is getting better, bigger, and you are getting the expanded hole. In the case uploaded them on the MS Team, okay, you can get the files from there.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
सर आप हमारी क्लासेस टीम्स पे ले लिया करें.
बेटा the thing is के it is much more user friendly compared to MS Team, because I have to draw certain structures sometimes in order to demonstrate you how it is working. So in the case of the MS Team, there is somewhat difficulty. So what I am doing right now is I am taking class here, but I am uploading the lectures on the MS Team. So last lecture has been uploaded there. You can also download it from there. This is the reason, that's why I am taking it. Okay.
लेकिन सर बाकी क्लासेस तो हमारी एमएस पे ही होती हैं तो
बेटा it doesn't make a difference, ठीक है? They have given us the mode of actually I was at the start I asked you, but it depends where I am feeling much more comfortable to demonstrate better understanding of the article. The thing is that if I will take the class here and I am going through the class regularly and I am not, you are not getting anything. So what is the purpose of that? This
Okay,
is the
sir.
reason. ठीक है? Okay. एक second, just wait. internet problem. Okay. So the question was, okay, let's suppose if you have a holes here, and when they will expand, they will contract because they will have no way to go on. So in the last section, when I last lecture in linear expansion, I was telling you that when you have a linear expansion and there is no space to move on, if you are not placing any space, okay, so what will happen in this case? These let's go, these are the two slabs. These are the two slabs. Okay. So in these two slabs, there is no gap between them, and there is no gap at the end of these slabs. So what is happening that when in the summer or when you will heat them, they will expand. So when they will expand, there will be no way to move on. So as a result, what will happen that they will buckle
So
up.
they will break.
Buckle up means that they will get misaligned. Misaligned, how they are getting misaligned in this scenario? They are moving in the upward direction because there is no space for them to move in the horizontal direction. So there is no movement for the linear expansion along the horizontal direction because there was no gap. So resulting into the buckling of the slabs in this scenario. So obviously when you have a hole, let's suppose in the whole scenario was in this section, okay, and there was a hole at the center. So what will happen when they will expand and there is no space for them to increase in the length along the horizontal direction or the vertical direction? They will buckle up rather than closing the hole. So this is what will happen. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the next section, they are asking कहते हैं कि in the normal case, on a hot day in a Las Vegas, a oil trucker loaded 77,000 liter of the diesel fuel. He encountered cold weather on the way to the Ottawa, where the temperature was 23 Kelvin lower than the Las Vegas, and where he delivered his entire load. How many liters did he deliver?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, the coefficient of volume expansion for the diesel fuel is 9.5, and this one, and the coefficient of linear expansion for a steel truck tank is this one. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब obviously diesel, it is a liquid and its volume is directly dependent upon the temperature. ठीक है. अब क्या होगा कि when the temperature decreases, the volume of the fuel also decrease because its density will increase. ठीक है. So using the volumetric expansion equation, where we have this change in volume into beta delta T. So this is the relation which we are getting here. Okay, at the start it was 37,000 liter, and when he reached, but in Las Vegas the temperature was hot. Okay, in the और जब ये ओटावा पहुंचा है, so then temperature was lower, so there was a decrease in the volume. So this decrease in the volume क्या होगा कि आपके पास in this scenario volume decrease, ठीक है, the volume that he delivered there is now 36.190 liter. ठीक है, ये क्लियर हो गया?
सर वो आपकी वॉइस दो बार सुन ली है तो ठीक से बता
सर वॉइस की डबलिंग हो रही है.
वॉइस की डबलिंग होनी नहीं चाहिए यार.
सर हो रही है.
सर हो
पहले
रही
नहीं हो रही थी, अभी हो रही है लास्ट 5 मिनट से.
अच्छा, पहले नहीं हो रही थी?
नो सर.
नो, जब से न्यूमेरिकल स्टार्ट किया ना तब से हो रही थी.
अच्छा, एक सेकंड बेटा.
नहीं सर, मुझे तो सही आ रही है.
आप बताएं.
सर थोड़ा सा और बोलिए.
हाँ जी, आवाज आपकी अब क्लियर है? इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
यस सर.
यस सर.
यस सर. यस.
Okay. अच्छा, in this scenario, क्या हो रहा है आपके पास कि वॉल्यूम इज डिक्रीजिंग, ठीक है, एंड वाई वॉल्यूम इज डिक्रीजिंग, यू हैव लोडेड ए ट्रक, ठीक है,
सर
which
डालबन
was
आपके ना
from a
मोबाइल से
hot
भी
place.
दोबारा हुआ है तो दो बातें आ रही हैं अभी भी।
अच्छा
आपने दो माइक
अच्छा,
रखे
मैं
हैं।
बताऊं, मैं नहीं नहीं, मेरी गलती है, सॉरी, माय फॉल्ट बेटा, माय फॉल्ट। एक्चुअली ये है कि मेरा जो लैपटॉप माइक है, इसमें प्रॉब्लम है, तो नॉइज ज्यादा आती है, तो वो मैंने दोनों ऑन किए थे। आई थिंक नो इट इज क्लियर, ठीक है, गुड, थैंक यू बेटा, नाइस। अच्छा, I am explaining this article here. Okay, before starting this example, volume expands when you increase the temperature. This is what we have discussed previously. Clear? यही बात है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. अब what is happening here कि in this scenario he is saying कि एक oil tanker है, he filled the oil tanker up to 37,000 liter, but from where he filled it, at that place the temperature was higher. Okay, so when he moves toward the other location, there the temperature was smaller, up to 23 Kelvin. It was lower. So when he delivered the oil at the end, so what is happening that this oil which he delivered is less, it should be less than the original value, which is 37,000 liter. So he calculated the change in the volume, okay? This change in the volume, because changing in the with respect to the volumetric expansion, so this change in volume is equal to this one, delta V is equal to V beta delta T, where V is the original volume, beta is the coefficient of the expansion, volumetric expansion, and delta is the difference in the temperature. So difference in the temperature he has written as minus 23 Kelvin, because delta T is TF minus TI. So TF is 23 degrees centigrade lower than the Las Vegas. So we have written it as minus 23 Kelvin. So this is the volumetric expansion coefficient, and this is the original volume. So when we calculated this, the amount that has been delivered to the station, it is 36,190 liter. Means that this amount of the liquid has been decreased when he has delivered to a place where the temperature is smaller than the parent place, okay, from where he has lifted the fluid. This example is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब मुझे ये बताएं कि who will pay the price of this one? मतलब उन्होंने क्वेश्चन की है who will pay the price for the missing diesel fuel? कौन पे करेगा?
सर ड्राइवर जो होता है।
Why he would? उसका तो कोई कसूर नहीं है
सर,
तो
कोई भी
लेकिन
नहीं शायद, क्योंकि ये मैथ्स पे डिपेंड नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि मैथ्स तो सेम ही रहना है।
now liter, obviously you are dealing with the liter. When you are getting the fuel in the your fuel tank, you are getting the liter rather than के आपके पास जो है। एक्चुअल में होता ये है कि दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ द पेमेंट इज डन बाय द कंज्यूमर, ठीक है। कंज्यूमर कौन है? वो है हम लोग। सो हाउ वी विल पे देम, दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ द थिंग इज लोकेटेड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द, कह लें कि रैक्स चार्जेस कहते हैं, रैक चार्जेस इसे बेसिकली। इट इंक्लूड्स द freight charges, it includes the distance, and it includes the missing fluid and the temperature. All the things are included in this one. So when you visit the different pumps here at different cities, so you will get the different price, ठीक है। नॉर्मली क्या कहा जाता है कि ओके जी, नो टुडे प्राइस इज 109 लीटर, द प्राइस दैट गवर्नमेंट हैज इशूड। But when you will visit the petrol pump, let's suppose if you are visiting in Lahore, it's, let's suppose it should be 109. Okay, but again, if you are filling the petrol from the Islamabad or from the Murray, the charges would be 109 point something, 0.50 point something like that. So basically you are paying all the prices there. Consumer is paying all the price. Okay, so we will pay the price, the missing difference, we will pay them. Okay, so this is how it works. It is known as the rag charges. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, sir.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
Yes, sir.
सर
Yes, sir,
टैंक की
clear.
एक्सपेंशन क्यों नहीं अफेक्ट करेगी?
इसकी
सर जो टैंक है, फ्यूल टैंक, सर कॉन्ट्रैक्शन उसके उन्होंने नीचे लिखा हुआ है कि वो हम यूज नहीं करेंगे, इसके क्या रीजन है?
देखो क्या है कि यू नेवर फिल द टैंक अप टू द मैक्सिमम पॉइंट, एक तो चीज ये है, ठीक है। आप कभी भी मतलब बिल्कुल बॉटल नेक पे, आप जब पेट्रोल पंप पे जाते हैं टैंकी जो भरवाते हैं, तो आप यू नेवर गो फॉर द टॉप, बिल्कुल मतलब इतना ही टोटली फिल हो जाए, मजीद कोई कैपेसिटी ना रहे, ठीक है। एक तो होता है स्टिल गैप होता है वहां पे, बट लेट्स सपोज इफ यू आर गेटिंग ऑल द फिल्ड अप, ठीक है, so if tank is contracting, so is the fuel is contracting, ठीक है। अगर टैंक कंट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, so obviously fuel is also contracting, ठीक है। तो अब उस सिनेरियो में क्या है कि आपने करना क्या है, आपने तो लीटर पे करने हैं ना, जितना पेट्रोल डिलीवर हुआ है। रास्ते में अगर वो गिर भी जाएगा, it doesn't make a difference, the only thing that matter is the amount of fuel that you will deliver there, ठीक है। तो ये इस तरह का सिनेरियो है कि यू लेट्स सपोज द टैंक हैज a capacity of 40,000 liter, you have filled it with 37,000 liter, ठीक है, और tank got contracted and so is the fuel is also got contracted when you are moving toward low temperature, so there is no involvement of the tank in that case, ठीक हो गया?
यस सर, क्लियर है।
ठीक है। So now we are moving toward the basic concepts, ठीक है जी। Now these are the, अभी आपकी क्लास तो नहीं 2 बजे स्टार्ट होनी
है सर।
है सर।
अच्छा यार,
सर
मुझे
दो
लग रहा
चार
है,
एक क्लास।
अच्छा चलो 5 मिनट में पढ़ा देता हूँ आपको, लेकिन मुझे लग रहा है कि यार या तो मैं आपको एप्लीकेशंस करवाना छोड़ दूं, क्योंकि ये आपकी बुक में शामिल नहीं है जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, तो या इस तरह आपको ज्यादा बेहतर अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है।
सर इस तरह अच्छा समझ आ रहा है।
चले ठीक है बेटा, फिर लेकिन टाइम फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 10:30, ठीक है। अच्छा, देयर इज अनदर डिवाइस, ठीक है। अब क्योंकि मैं नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल कितना है, एक सेकंड, 5 मिनट में हो जाता है कि नहीं होता? हो तो जाएगा, लेकिन चले नेक्स्ट टाइम,
मुश्किल लग रहा है।
चले नेक्स्ट टाइम। लेकिन आज पढ़ा भी कुछ नहीं है ना यार, सारी एप्लीकेशंस ही करते रहे हम लोग। असल में क्लास होती ना फिर तो बोर्ड के ऊपर बड़ा क्लियरली, लेकिन नेक्स्ट टाइम से बेटा 12:30 मेक श्योर करें कि 12:30। मैंने आपका कोर्स भी एंड करना है, तो अगर आप ये प्रॉपर तरीके से कर सकेंगे तो बेटा मैं करवा सकूंगा एप्लीकेशंस के साथ, वरना अगर कोर्स मैंने कवर करवाना हुआ तो देन आई हैव टू मूव फॉरवर्ड, ठीक है। So next time make sure. अच्छा, there is another device that is known as anti-scalding device, ठीक है। and ये हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं होती है। anti-scalding device जो है it is basically exist in the colder regions, ठीक है। अब colder regions में it means कि आपके पास क्या होता है कि it is just like कि आपके पास ये होती है water tap जा रहा है, ठीक है। in this water tap there is an anti scalding device, ठीक है। और ये टैप है बेसिकली, मोर सिंपल जो मैं बनाना चाह रहा हूँ वो ये, दिस इज द टैप, अब होता क्या इन दी कोल्डर रीजन्स, ठीक है, जो कोल्ड कंट्रीज हैं, वेरी कोल्ड कंट्रीज हैं, सो वहां पे क्या होता है कि नॉर्मली दे हैव इवन मतलब बेटा आपकी कोई बात समझ नहीं आई, टोटली नॉइस डिस्टॉर्शन थी, ठीक है। जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ ये है कि आप ये कर लें कि दिस इज द वाटर टैप है, दिस इज द पाइप हेयर एंड दिस इज द एंटी स्केल्डिंग डिवाइस। सो इन द केस ऑफ वार्म वाटर क्या होता है वहां पे कि वहां पे ज्यादा वार्म जब वाटर हो जाता है, देयर इज अ कॉमन जो उनका इमरजेंसी या बर्न यूनिट्स का जो कॉमन है प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज के देयर इज अ बर्न्स ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन बर्न्स होते हैं ड्यू टू द हॉट वाटर, वेरी हॉट वाटर। So in order to maintain that hot water, they use this anti-scalding device, and this anti-scalding device, when water becomes too hot, it gets elongated and it stops the, ये क्या होगा, बड़ी हो जाएगी, and it stops the water flowing through the tap until unless it comes up to the certain temperature. So this is known as the anti-scalding device. Okay. And then there is another application of the volumetric expansion is the water taps. Water taps में bursting of water जो pipes हैं in the ये कोयटा वगैरह में it is a normal scenario कि why they get bursted, ठीक है। तो उसमें this is the bursting of the pipes here. So होता क्या कि in the case of the temperature when falls below 0 degree centigrade, so some sort of the let's suppose this pipe is exposed to the air atmosphere. So what will happen, obviously there will be first there will be a water flowing through it, and this water will go up to the 4 degree centigrade, and then it will start going below the 4 degree centigrade. Obviously क्या होगा कि there will be formation of the ice. So when there is a formation of the ice, the density of the ice is smaller, ठीक है, compared to the density of the water that is at 4 degree centigrade. So this ice क्या करेगा when it will form a ice, ठीक है, so its volume is larger compared to the water at 4 degrees centigrade because its density is smaller compared to this one. So when the formation of the ice will take place, so the density of this water, which is already higher, which is at 4 degrees centigrade, and after the formation of the ice, the expansion of the volume takes place, and there will be more pressure at this end, more pressure of the water, because क्या होगा, volume expand, already density is higher, and this expansion in the volume, it is what it is doing, it is basically increasing the pressure at this end. So if you are not, ठीक है, if you have not opened the tap, so this pressure will mount on कि as soon as कि ये भी जो है ice बनना शुरू हो जाएगा, so as a result the water pressure will get higher and higher, and eventually the pipe will break down. In order to avoid this scenario, it is generally recommended कि when you are living in the colder region at the night, what you should do is what you should open the tap in a way that there will be a dripping of a water drop by drop. Okay, so it will release the pressure that has been exerted due to the formation of the ice. ठीक हो गया? Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Any question up to this point?
No, sir.
No, sir.
अच्छा, सारे अभी क्लास होनी है या आज के दिन सर ने अभी ठहर के लेनी है क्लास?
सर जी होनी है क्लास अभी 2 बजे।
2 बजे यार, आप लोग तो फिर इस पूरे सेशन में एक चैप्टर करोगे। चले नेक्स्ट टाइम बेटा जल्दी करते हैं, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट टाइम थोड़ा सा आपका, हाँ 12:30 थोड़ा सा टफ लेक्चर होगा आपका, ज्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा, ठीक है? तो ये एक नेक्स्ट टाइम से आपका जो है वो 12:30, ठीक है बेटा। फिर इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट टाइम होगी। आज की क्लास बेटा एंड है आप, ठीक है
सर।
जी जी
अल्लाह
बेटा।
हाफिज सर।
सर मैंने
अल्लाह
पिछले हफ्ते आपको एक ईमेल की थी, वो चेक कर लीजिएगा प्लीज।
यार आपने किस